Breaking news, more than a dozen Bronx residents were taken to the hospital this morning after carbon monoxide alarms went off. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor is live in East Tremont with more. Alice.
Mary, 13 people inside Twin Park Southeast here at Maples Avenue and 180th Street were hospitalized this morning. The FDNY says all are expected to be okay. Right now, inspectors with the Department of Buildings are here on scene, and we're told residents are allowed back inside. A large response this morning at 800 East 180th Street. Carbon monoxide alarms started going off around 6:47 a.m.
To be waking up with the heavy banging of the fire department, like about 10 firemen outside your door.
December Thomas shared these photos with us. The FDNY says 13 people were taken to the hospital. Their injuries are considered non-life threatening.
A family did come out. The young man was unresponsive. A whole family went and was rushed to the emergency room.
Residents say they were outside for a couple of hours but were eventually allowed back in. Inspectors from the Department of Buildings boiler unit are here on scene. So far, no cause has been given yet for the carbon monoxide leak, but residents point out
we had no heat all week, and then finally we get heat last night, and then this happened this morning.
Again, the FDNY and Department of Buildings say the cause is still under investigation. Live in East Tremont, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.